In all times and places in our history, human beings have wondered, where did we come from? What's our place in the world? What happens to us after we die? Religions are systems of belief that have developed and evolved over time in response to these and other eternal mysteries, driven by the feeling that some questions can only be answered by faith, and based on an intuition that there's something greater than ourselves, a higher power we must answer to, or some source we all spring from and to which we must return. Hinduism means the religions of India. It's not a single religion, but rather a variety of related beliefs and spiritual practices. It dates back 5 millennia to the time of Krishna, a man of such virtue that he became known as an avatar of Vishnu, an incarnation of the god in human form. He taught that all life follows karma, the law of cause and effect, and our job is to do our duty, or dharma, according to our place in society, without worrying how things turn out. When we die, we're reincarnated into a new body. If we followed our dharma and did our proper duty in our past life, we get good karma, which sends our soul upward in the social scale. Our rebirth into the next life is thus determined by what we do in this one. The wheel of rebirths is called samsara. It's possible for a very holy person to lead a life with enough good karma to escape the wheel. This escape is called moksha. Hinduism teaches that everything is one. The whole universe is one transcendent reality called Brahman. And there's just one Brahman, but many gods within it. And their roles, aspects, and forms differ according to various traditions. Brahma is the creator. Vishnu is the preserver who sometimes takes on human form. And Shiva is the transformer, or lord of the dance. Durga is the fiercely protective divine mother. Ganesha has an elephant head and is the wise patron of success. Hinduism is the third largest religion in the world, and although most Hindus live in India, they can be found on every continent, 1 billion strong. Now let's travel west, across deserts and mountains to the fertile